ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? This is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I'm doing a show! I'm doing the big show today. Look at that! When was the last time you saw me touch a bag of these? It's about time. The last one I did was tuna. Oh, no, it wasn't tuna. What am I talking about? It wasn't Shin Ramyun. It wasn't tuna. It was a tom yum with sardines. I believe it was the first time I ever had sardines, but I could be wrong. Here's the noodles. They're going in the pot. What are these, 4 minutes? 4 minutes? 4.5 minutes. Oh, I see. Aristocrats here. All right. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's good. So we got another quote from the man, the legend, Mr. Momofuku Ando, the man who invented the instant noodle way back in the day. First instant noodles came out in 1958. Should you be wondering. His birthday's coming up. So that's pretty cool. And here we go. Where'd it go? No. Okay, here we go. Number 46. No company can sustain itself if it lacks the power to create new things. Here, and I say no person can sustain themselves unless they do something new every day. And that's like the whole impetus behind what I do. I like to try new varieties of things every single day, and that's like what keeps me going doing this. It's always something new. And I'm doing a new picture, taking a new picture, doing this new, doing that new, trying to refine, trying to do this or that. So basically, I'm making Shin Ramyun as according to package directions, except usually it calls for 550 mils of water. I'm doing 500. I want the broth to be a little bit stronger. And I've got 2.5 minutes. I'm going to add a bunch of stuff into this. So there is the noodles, the base, and the, as they like to call it, the flake are all in play now. Let that simmer a little bit. And then, what bowl did I pick? Oh, I picked that bowl. That's a good bowl to pick. Maybe not so much with the weather. It's really a dark day. Not so super stoked about that. I've got mung bean sprouts. They're gonna go in now. I really want these things to cook down. Probably more standard would be soybean sprouts, but I don't like soybean sprouts. Although, I shouldn't say that. Well, what happened once is I got soybean sprouts and they tasted like chlorine, and I don't like the flavor of chlorine. So. One thing that there's been a little bit of pushback on over the years is the idea of cheese in instant noodles. Well, I'm here to say that I embrace the Velveeta, and that's gonna go in at the 1 minute left mark. Oh no, that's not going into 1 minute. What's going in 1 minute is this. This is stir-fry beef. So I get it at the store. I portion it out. This is probably like 70 grams of stir-fry beef. I'm just going to stir it in a little bit. back on the fire. Rather the ceramic cooktop. Fire. Let that kind of chill out and do its thing. We're down to 15 seconds left. Since this is one that I'm just like doing whichever way I feel like it, doesn't really matter. They can cook long. I don't mind. I think that's probably good enough. Now, there's two things you can do. You can either slap some cheese on top, or you can do what I'm gonna do now. Take the cheese. And get her in there. Just one, don't need to be greedy. We get a slice of cheese. Get her in there. Get it nice and melted, and you can use any cheese you want, but this stuff will come through and completely melt and get all up in the broth, and that's what I like. You got beef, you got cheese, spring onion, or not spring onion just yet, mung bean sprouts. Kind of a sloppy, lugubrious wonder mess right now. I guess they got a new Nongshim variety. They've got chapaguri. And I was like looking at the bowl and I was like, this looks really familiar. And then I realized like maybe 7 years ago, I did a video on how to make chapaguri on the stove. It's a combo of chapaghetti and nigiri. Crazy out there, but it's a combo of those two. And what I did is I took the 2 packs and I scanned the chapa off the pack and the guri off the pack, and for the video I just made a logo which is the exact same logo they're using on their packaging. I mean, I was talking to my buddy, I'm like, should I sue? And no, just kidding, but yeah, it was like, well, it kind of seems like a natural something you'd come to, and I'm like, yeah, totally, you know. But it's kind of neat, you know. They use this. They got the same idea I did, so that's awesome. So here is our stuffings. I'm gonna add in. Oh, what's a nice thing to put on noodles? Oh, I don't know. Perhaps egg. These are really young as far as the marinating cycle goes. We shall see how they do. Let's see. Yeah, it's you. You've been chosen. Oh no! Ah! Ah, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. You have to be perfect so people go, dude, that egg. There you go. That's better. My daughter is still talking about that little bite of fish she had. Although that was like 20 minutes ago. Okay. jump. God damn. Okay. Come on, eggs. Come on, let's all work together in perfect harmony. Get over there! No, 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 don't do that. That's okay. You can live like that. You can live that way. I don't mind. I'm not gonna judge you. Eggs. So, we got beef. We got egg. We got mung bean sprout. We got Naruto maki. We got spring onion. Not on the egg. We got sesame seed. Got some chili flake, and that can go on the egg. I relent when it comes to the chili flake. And finally, oh no, the holy spoon is dirty? Oh, I'll just have to use one of these. I have a special spoon that I use to cradle the Laogan Ma from its original place to the bowl. If you've never had Laogan Ma spicy chili crisp, get it. Won't you please? Treat yourself. It's inevitable. If you try it today, you'll be like, my God, I didn't know about this for my life up till now. What was I doing? What was the waste of time that I called my existence? Anyways, that is what I decided to do to a pack of Shin Ramen. So let's rotate. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, what do you think? That was pretty good. I think it'll be good. I think you'll like it. Add some extra chili oil on it even. And that's that. And that's me, the Ramen Raider, wearing a Pokemon t-shirt. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.